Happy Saturday to you, Calhoun Cuts out in Ogden, Utah. Love your content, brother. From what I saw at first glance, it says, what is the best way to understand hair color or color formulation? And that's a lengthy one, but I'll try my best to knock it out in maybe a few minutes. When it comes to hair color and formulation, sometimes we say hair color, but it's really this combination as far as permanent hair color. It's a combination of the hair color that's in the tube and the developer. The tube actually has a destination. It's a map that's inside of the hair color that's telling it where to go. It's telling it what level to go to, right? Whatever level you're starting at, you got to determine. Let's say it's your natural color. I saw your hair. Let's say your hair color is level 2. My natural hair color, if I had hair, brother, would be level 2. So let's say we're trying to go to level 7. So we pick a box that says 7 on it. It's telling it with the map that's already like the GPS inside the color, go to level 7. And then when you get to level 7, I want you to pour in this, whatever the letters are behind it. Let's say it's 7 copper. Get to level 7, then turn everything that it's touching at level 7 copper. Get to level 9, then turn it gold, as in like a golden blonde. Get to level 6 from level 2 or 3, wherever we're starting, and then turn it RR or intense red. Then the developer gets it there, right? It's the gasoline seemingly in the car with the destination being mapped out in the color. It actually allows enough oxidation, gas, momentum, speed, or just simply time to develop. In order to go that 2, 3, 4, 5 levels of formulation, we need at least about 30 minutes. It's not an exact science with this 2-minute or 3-minute explanation, but imagine that 30 volume was 30 minutes, or 40 volume was 40 minutes, or a full tank of gas. In order to get up anything past 4 and 5 levels, you need a full tank of gas. So for that requirement, let's say if we're going to level 7 or 8, I would choose level 30, or volume 30, if not 40 volume. So I need a full tank of gas, and I need to know where so formulating is determining what level do I want to go to, what tone do I want it to be when it gets to the level, and how much time do I need to get there. And in my opinion, I prefer 1-to-1 formulating, meaning I want a line that's designed to work with equal parts of the developer. That's pretty easy, right? 1 scoop of pancake mix, 1 scoop of water, or 1 cup of pancake mix, 1 cup of water. Does that make sense? So it's like 1 ounce or 2 ounce of whatever determine level and tone of color that I'm going after, and 1 ounce of the level or volume of developer that it's going to take to get there. 1 to 1.5, I would definitely encourage you to get maybe calculators to get on the side. But to me, if we can go 1-to-1, still with a scale and calculator, make that simple. So find a line that has that, and that's how you do it. I'm looking at a client, and they say that they want their hair to be red, like this coffee cup. All right, that's about, in relation to maybe my beard, that's about 5 levels up. So let's say this is level 2, this is level 6. Let's just say this darker shade is like level 6 red. I would go to my color bar and pick 6R, maybe 6RR. Then I know with that type of lift, I need about 30 minutes or 30 volume of lift, equal part. I'd mix it together, apply it immediately after mixing, wait about 30, 35, maybe up to 40 minutes, and rinse. And it will lift. As long as there's no previous hair color on the hair, it'll lift. I know people will argue that and say that we have to pre-lighten, but I would challenge that and say, try what I just said and see. And you'll be surprised how all of the science is already mapped out or GPS inside of the color and the developer. So formulating is what level, what tone, and what developer do I need, and what is the ratio to get it there, mix, apply, and the magic will happen. I hope that's helpful, brother. I'd love for you to join my online education subscription that has step-by-step hair color that can help you grow and continue to grow your great business out there in Ogden, Utah.